Welcome back to Learn English with us. Hi, Steve. Where are we going today?
Hi, Maya. Today we're going to the airport because this lesson is all about airport English.
Nice. I always feel a little nervous at the airport. There are so many signs, announcements, and questions.
Don't worry. After this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say, from check-in to boarding.
Perfect. Let's go on our trip.
When you first arrive, you go to the check-in counter. Here are the common sentences you'll hear. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please? Where are you flying today? Do you have any bags to check in? Please place your luggage on the scale.
And what should I say as a passenger?
Here are your key phrases. Good morning. I'm flying to London. Here's my passport. Yes, one bag to check in. Can I have a window seat, please? Is the flight on time?
That's perfect. I always forget how to ask for the seat I want.
Yes. Can I have a window seat? Or can I have an aisle seat? Are polite and clear. Let's do a quick role play. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
To London.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
All right. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight. After check-in, you go through security. Let's learn the main expressions. Please place your bag on the belt. Take off your shoes and belt, please. Do you have any liquids or electronics? Please step forward.
That's always the stressful part.
I know, but here's what you can say. Do I need to take off my jacket? Where should I put my laptop? Is everything okay?
Perfect. I'll sound calm and polite next time.
Exactly. Let's try a short dialogue. Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. And your jacket.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Please step forward.
Is everything okay?
Yes, you're all clear. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Now you're at the gate waiting to board. Here are useful questions you might need. What time does the flight board? Is the flight on time? Where is gate B12? Can I sit here? Can I charge my phone here?
I like that one. Can I charge my phone here? I always need that.
Me too. Let's do a little role play.
Excuse me, what time does Flight 203 to London board?
At 9:15 a.m., boarding starts in 10 minutes.
Is it on time?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Can I charge my phone here?
Yes. There's a power outlet under the seat.
Thank you.
Next, you'll hear boarding announcements or talk to the flight attendants. Here are key expressions. Good morning. Boarding pass, please. Enjoy your flight. Could you help me with my luggage? Can I have a blanket? Could I have some water, please? Excuse me, where is my seat?
So polite and simple. I like that.
Exactly. Let's practice in a full scene. Good morning. Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Your seat is 14A. Just over there.
Thank you. Could you help me with my bag, please?
Of course.
Can I have some water?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Sometimes flights are delayed or canceled. Here's what you can ask. Is the flight delayed? How long is the delay? Where can I get information? Is there another flight today? Can I change my seat?
That's great for emergencies.
Exactly. Let's do a real example.
Excuse me, is the flight to Paris delayed?
Yes, it's delayed by 1 hour due to weather.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You can wait in the lounge.
Perfect.
Now let's do the full airport conversation, from check-in to boarding. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
To London.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Okay, your gate is a 5. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Perfect, thank you.
Please place your bag on the belt.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, where is gate a 5?
Right over there next to the cafe.
Hi, could you help me with my bag, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Let's review the most useful airport expressions. Airport English. Can I see your passport? Do you have any bags to check in? Is the flight on time? Where is gate a 5? Could you help me with my bag? I'd like some water, please.
That's everything I need for my next trip.
Exactly. You can now travel with confidence.
What's the challenge today?
Easy. Watch this video again. Then practice saying all the airport sentences out loud.
Deal.
If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, every trip starts with one confident sentence.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.